Restoring sending privileges on Zelle can be essential if you've encountered issues with your account. Follow these steps to regain your ability to send money through the service. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your bank's app or website where Zelle is integrated. Ensure your account is in good standing and that there are no holds or restrictions placed on it. Step 2. Review transaction limits. Look for any transaction limits that may apply to your account. Many banks have daily or monthly limits on how much you can send via Zelle, and exceeding these limits can restrict your sending privileges. Step 3. Update your information. Make sure all your personal information, such as your phone number and email address, is up to date in your bank account settings. Incorrect or outdated information can lead to issues with Zelle. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After making any necessary changes or following up with customer support, wait for confirmation that your sending privileges have been restored. This may take some time, so be patient and check back periodically. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Zelle. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from your bank or Zelle directly.